Hello friends, this video on triangle and its properties part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now, there is a very important property with regards to the exterior angle of a triangle, and that is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Now, that's again quite interesting. So, let us look at the triangle. So, we have this extended arm. So let us name the triangle. Let's say this is A, B, C. Let us call this point as B. So this is the exterior angle. So what is our exterior angle? Angle ACD is the exterior angle. Now this property says that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So, which would be the opposite interior angles for this exterior angle? So, we have three interior angles, 1, 2 and 3. So, out of these, which two would be the opposite interior angles? This is not opposite because this interior angle is adjacent to the exterior angle. They are located side by side. So, when you talk about opposite interior angles, it would be these two angles. So, angle ACD will be equal to angle CAB plus angle ABC. So this is what the property is. So let us now try to prove this property, that why this is true. Why is it that the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles? So let us try to prove this. So in order to prove this, the first thing that we can say is this angle ACD and angle ACB. These two angles, they form linear pair because they are adjacent angles and they also make 180 degrees together. So we can say that angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees because they form linear pair. Also, what did we learn in the previous section? We learned that sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that is something which we had learned. So therefore we can say that angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, that is sum of the three interior angles, is equal to 180 degree. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Now when you look at this first equation, this is the first equation. Let us call this equation 1. Let us call this as equation 2. So when you compare equation 1 and equation 2, you see that ACD plus ACB is also equal to 180 and BAC plus ABC plus ACB is also equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB. So this ACB, if you transpose it into to the other side, you will get angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB minus angle ACB. So ACB will cancel out. So what are you left with? You are left with angle ACD is equal to angle BAC or CAB, whatever you call it, plus angle ABC. And this is what we wanted to prove. That is, the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So basically, sum of these three angles of the triangle is 180. This plus this is 180, and at the same time this plus this is also 180. So we found that this angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Now see, these are very basic properties of a triangle, but they are very, very important. Like sum of three angles is 180, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior. Now one very crucial thing that you need to understand here is you should be able to determine the exterior angle properly, because many a times children get confused to find out which angle is exterior angle. So please remember those three important points. Now why am I repeating this is very important. So if you get confused with the exterior angle itself, you will not be able to make use of the properties. First of all, the exterior angle should be formed on the vertex of the triangle. Secondly, it should be located outside. Third, most important point is that the exterior angle's arms, one arm should be a side of the triangle, the other arm should be an extended side of the triangle. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.